Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dalle inside the Canva AI image generator. Okay, very easy guys, very simple. In this particular example we are going to create a brand new design, and for this particular case we're going to create an Instagram post. We're going to use these default settings for the square post that Canva created in advance, and then we're going to come over here and see what are the examples recommended from Dalle itself when we're actually crafting our prompt. In the previous video I showed you how you can create a prototype for potential future product. We did get a good results, not amazing ones, but now we might be able to get you something even cooler. So first thing we are going to request is to create anime character for promoting headphones in the I would say at the Times Square, New York City. Let's see what we're going to have, because a lot of the people will be using some of these creatives to run ads, right? You can create a creative around your brand. Let's say, for example, you're drop shipping particular item, or you have white label item for selling, right? You want to make sure that you run ads that are wicked, that somebody will click on them. And as you can see over here, I think both look like cool in some way. So definitely people will be clicking on both of them. So if you click on the second one, and if I actually make it larger, you would see how cool it is, right? I'm just gonna snap the logo underneath, and people will buy like thousands of pairs of the headphones, which is so cool. Of course, the headphones should look like the ones that she's wearing. But as you saw, in just a couple of seconds, just a couple of prompts, we created this amazing creative. This is something that will grab attention, engage with people. People will click on it, and hopefully people will click on the link for your product. This is how simple it is to use Dalle, guys, to generate Instagram posts. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more.